The 1956 Ford F-100 was one of the final models of the second-generation Ford F-Series, produced between 1953 and 1956, and it represented a refined evolution of Ford's post-war pickup design. Compared to earlier models, the 1956 version featured a noticeably updated and more modern front appearance. It had a wide horizontal grille with a strong central bar, giving it a bold and balanced look. The round headlights were smoothly integrated into the front fenders rather than being separate units, which helped create a cleaner design. One of the most significant visual and functional upgrades was the introduction of the wraparound windshield, a feature that improved outward visibility for the driver and passengers while also giving the truck a more contemporary, almost car-like styling that stood out in the mid-1950s truck market. Inside the cabin, the truck remained focused on practicality but showed clear improvements in comfort and usability over previous generations. It came with a full-width bench seat that could accommodate up to 3 passengers, typically covered in durable vinyl materials designed to withstand heavy use. The dashboard was constructed from painted steel and featured a straightforward layout with essential instrumentation, including a centrally placed speedometer, along with gauges for fuel level and engine temperature. Controls were minimal and easy to access, reflecting the truck's utilitarian purpose. While it did not include luxury features as standard, buyers could opt for extras such as a heater for cold climates and a basic AM radio for entertainment. The overall cabin environment was simple, functional, and built for durability rather than luxury, yet it was noticeably more comfortable and refined compared to trucks from the 1940s and early 1950s. Under the hood, the 1956 F-100 offered a range of engine options to suit different needs, from basic work use to more performance-oriented driving. Hope you enjoyed our video.